Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where I am going to teach you how to create Bandit signs using Canva.com. If you don't know about Canva.com, Canva.com is a very great website that's free. And it allows you to make marketing materials and other things, a host of things for your business, for your personal life, whatever it is that you need. So today I'm going to teach you how to create virtual bandit signs. And also, if you want to use this same exact bandit sign to print with a printing site, you can do that as well. So I'm going to hop right into it, okay? So what you want to first do is go to canva.com. Now, I have Canva for Work. It's a paid program, but you could just use the free version. I would not pay for Canva for Work. I just honestly still have it because I have not canceled it. But basically the only difference is that you have more access to a lot of more pictures. And also you can set up your brand palette if you have a business and things like that. But please just get the free Canva for now. You do not need all the extra, okay? So what you're going to do is when you first go to canva.com, you're set up and everything like that. As you can see, I make a lot of things for my business. So that's what you're seeing down here. A lot of my marketing materials or my Instagram posts or things like that, or my YouTube channel thumbnails, things like that I make on here. And as you can see, you can do that here. You can make photo collages, postcards, infographics, business cards, anything like that. But for today, I'm going to teach you how to make a virtual bandit sign or a regular bandit sign to get printed so that you can put around the neighborhood or post on Facebook or Craigslist or something like that. So what you want to first do is go to create a design. It's going to bring you back to here, but you're going to have to know the dimensions of the sign that you're creating. So what I did was I went to a site like dirtcheapsigns.com and some other sites, Vistaprint, and I just looked to see what exactly was the dimensions of these signs. And so I found that they are 12 by 18 or 18 by 12. You can flip it however you need to put it in. So you're going to go over here. You're going to go to custom dimensions and you're going to change this to inches. I'm going to do 18 by 12. And you're going to click on create new design. So this is what you have. You have a blank basically sheet that we're going to work from, and we're going to create a virtual bandit sign. Now over here to the left, you have templates that you could use to possibly create this sign. I'm going to use a couple of these templates and show you how you can apply those on your bandit sign. So let me just look for one that will work. So I'm going to go with this one right here. It's pretty simple. So I love Canva because it's drag and drop is very easy to use, especially if you are not a graphic designer, especially if you are like me and you are not good with colors. You can just play with things, okay? So right here you have this camera. We're going to get rid of that because we are real estate investors and we're talking about real estate. So let's go over here to elements and let's look up a house. I'm just going to put in house. You can also click on free only so that it only gives you free photos. And we're going to, well, it's giving me free. I want the house. Okay, so there we go. So it's going to give me free homes right here, okay? So as you can see, it's like pictures of homes that's free. You got this right here. I actually like this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that camera out of there by deleting it. And I'm going to put this one here because I actually like this one a lot. I'm going to make this kind of big, and this little circle here is going to allow me to tilt it. And I actually like the way that it tilts outside of the page here. I like this. And I'm going to change the colors here. So I'm going to make the hand like a black. Let's keep the hand black. I'm going to go over here to the second color, which I think is the house. I can make that. Well, no, that's the outline of the hand. I actually like that. So I could possibly make that blue like that. And over here will be the house. I can actually make it have some yellow in there, or I could make it have some blue in there, or some orange. What I'm going to do is I think that I'm going to make the house have some yellow in there. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to change this hand back to black. Black all around, or white. That's what I think I'm going to do. I made that white. So as you can see, it was really simple to do that. You just click on the image, and any of these colors that you want to change it to, you can do that. So I like this. I like how that looks. The dots up here, the little polka dots, I don't care for, so I'm going to delete those. And also, I am going to go here and I'm going to change this wording. So I'm going to put in, of course, what we are used to seeing. The We Buy Houses. I'm going to move that up and over a little bit. And I'm going to change this to just some wording to market it. Okay. So I could put need repairs, distressed homes, facing foreclosure, foreclosures. I'm going to keep that like that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to text. And I clicked on add a heading. Had to get it back. And I'm going to put this up here. This is going to be my contact info. So I'm going to put just like a fake number. I'm going to make this big. The way you change the font in size, you go over here. I'm going to make the font the same as this. So this is League Spartan font. I'm going to pick it for the phone number as well. And then I'm going to make this phone number huge, guys, so that people can contact me when they see this. I'm going to put that number there. If you had, let's say you had a website, you can copy that, or you could just go here. And I got the same add a heading again. And you could just like put your website under here. Some people have a website like WeBuyHouses.com or Jim Buys Houses or something like that. I'm just going to put my Encourage Millions website. Like that. Going to put it there. I'm also going to change the font back to the League Spartan. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. About right here. Okay. That was really simple. This is actually a bomb looking bandit sign. I might keep this for myself. But yes, this is how you make your virtual bandit signs. You could also make this same, you can take this same exact sign. You can go right here to, oh, and let me just talk about the background. So the background right now is white. If I didn't want that, if I wanted a black background, I could do that. which I actually like the background. Or I could change it back white. Let's say I kept it black. Now, what you want to do is you're going to put you a title up here. So I could just say Tiffany's virtual bandit sign. Now, when I get ready to post this on the sites that I use, Craigslist, Facebook, anything like that, I'm going to click this little download button right here. And I'm going to download it as a JPEG or a PNG. If you're going to be posting it online and things like that, I would just download it as a PNG because that's high quality. And you would just press download and it's going to download for you. Now, let's say that you want to download this to give to a printer. What you want to do is you want to download it in PDF print, so that you can be able to have high quality when they print this for you. Okay, but that is how you can basically work with this and get this out. Like, this is a good bandit sign. You can do anything over here. If you didn't want to do this, you could delete this out and you could have another element, another house over here. So many to choose from. Even if you wanted to do a background like that and put the home in there, or if you wanted to just take an actual home and put it on, you could do something like this. You can also over here, like, let's say you use a real picture. I wouldn't use this picture because this is like a really nice house. It just doesn't give that feel like it would attract a motivated seller. If you use, like, let's see if they have a distressed house. Also, Canva gives you the option to upload your own pictures. So if you have a picture of a property or something like that, you can use that property as well. You could possibly use this. It depends on who you want to attract and what you're, using. Something like that. This could come off as offensive to some people, but just keep in mind the way marketing works is that you wanna make your sign. If you're, like, let's say you're gonna be doing this like a virtual bandit sign and you're posting for a specific area. If you know that that area is primarily African American, then you want to try to use individuals in that ad that's going to attract them, because most people click on things that attract to them. Okay. If not, if you don't want to do that, we don't see any more like distressed houses. Let's see here. I clicked off of the free only. So let's see, like, you could take something like that. And you could put this in here, something like that. For the purpose of this sign, though, I would just keep it as a cartoon like house. So like some of these, you can do that one there, or you could get you another house like that and put it there. You can change the color of it. You can have something like that, or change it back white and put it there like that. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. This is a really simple way that you can create a virtual bandit sign or a sign to get printed. Okay. So if you enjoyed this, please make sure you subscribe and make sure that you follow us here on YouTube, because I'm going to be posting you some really great videos how you can use technology in your wholesaling or real estate investing business. And also, if you want to learn more about wholesaling or how to invest in real estate, make sure you're on the wait list for Flip Your Block Academy by going to flipyourblock.com, because we're going to open up cycle 2 very soon. Okay. So I hope this was helpful for you all. Leave me a comment if you have any more questions, or if there anything else that you would like to see on creating marketing materials for wholesaling, and I will get that done for you. Okay. So enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure you share this with someone that needs this information as well.